Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming two prerequisites. You're signed into both Notion and Google, and your Notion calendar is shareable. Once done, open the calendar page in Notion, click Share, then copy the iCal link. That link is the bridge. Make sure to keep Google Calendar open, select other calendars, and choose Add by URL. This is where you paste the Notion iCal. Doing it now starts the actual data flow, so don't skip the Share permission step. After you paste the iCal into Google and click Add Calendar, Google will schedule a fetch. This may take a few minutes. While waiting, verify your event time zones in Notion, because Notion exports in UTC sometimes, and Google may display shifted times if settings differ. Once Google imports events, scan several entries for completeness and recurring rules. Recurring events sometimes export differently, so confirm start/stop dates. If you need faster updates to finish, always edit original events in Notion. Google is reading the export, not writing back. Make sure you allow up to 24 hours for Google to refresh the feed automatically. Minor edits often appear sooner. If something is missing, recopy the Notion iCal and re-add it in Google, or clear cache and retry. For true two-way sync, consider a paid connector. Make sure you review permissions and billing because those tools change how and where data is stored.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.